In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open OneDrive zip file. We'll walk through the exact clicks to locate a zip stored in your OneDrive and extract its contents using the tools built into Windows. Start on your desktop so you have a clear view of the taskbar. Look to the lower right corner of your screen on the taskbar where the system tray lives. Find the OneDrive cloud icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, then click the cloud. That opens the OneDrive panel so you can access your files and options tied to your account. With the OneDrive panel open, click OneDrive to focus on it. This brings up the options tied to your synced folder. Next, click Open Folder. This opens your OneDrive folder in File Explorer, which is where your cloud files appear on your computer. If some files are online only, you may see a cloud symbol beside them. That simply means Windows will pull them down as needed. Inside the OneDrive folder, look for the zip files you want to open. Zip files have a special icon and typically end with .zip in the name. If your OneDrive has a lot of content, you can type .zip into the search box at the top right of File Explorer to narrow your view. You can also sort by type or date modified to help you spot the latest zip you downloaded or received. Once you've located the zip file, right-click it to bring up the context menu. This menu gives you actions you can perform on the file. Choose Extract All. Windows will open the Extract Compressed Folders window. Here, you'll see the destination folder where the contents will be unpacked. By default, Windows chooses a new folder with the same name as the zip, placed in the same location. If you want a different location, click Browse and pick a folder. There's also an option to show the extracted files when complete, which is handy if you want to jump straight into the unzipped folder when the process finishes. When you're ready, click Extract. Windows will begin unpacking the files. If the zip was online only, OneDrive may quickly download it first, then extraction continues. A progress bar will appear if the archive is large. When it finishes, File Explorer opens the extracted folder so you can start using your files immediately. Your original zip stays in OneDrive untouched while the new folder contains the usable copies. And that's it. You've opened a OneDrive zip file and extracted its contents using Windows built-in tools.